Okay, BFLEX.
Okay.
There was a guy from Switzerland, and he was sending me some pictures, and he got a gel shoe inlay in two and put a microphone in between, and he sent me the picture, and he said, this doesn't work, but I have to make body mic someone, because it's very light clothing and they're going to take it off.
Yeah.
And it was silky, and so he said I wanted to put it directly on the body, but there is not really something. So he tried to do something with the shoe inlay, and that didn't work. So then he said, can you make me something that does work?
Yeah.
And then we made this.
The
BFLEX. And the BFLEX, then the guy that had the idea is called Balthasar. And the B is a little,
That's
know.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's
so
so cool.
So everyone, it's BFLEX, but it's actually Balthasar Flex.
That's awesome.
Yeah, but so that's
very
nice,
cool.
Yeah. So
you got to pay homage to the guy that helps you get it out
there.
Of course.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah. It's nice
excellent.
for him, nice for me, and it's a good name. So that, you know.
Yeah.
So what it actually is, it's a silicone. No, we'll take it.
Oh yeah.
It's completely sealed, so if you use it, it's like clean and
very good.
So people cannot take it out in the shops as well.
Mm-hmm.
So this is it actually.
Wow.
It's a silicone drop shaped thing that you put directly to the body.
Okay, very good. So you load it from the back
Yeah,
side.
yeah. So what I did, it was quite difficult to make it actually, to make something like this.
I can imagine.
So the shape of the microphone is in here, and you just put it in like that. And what you see is it's completely isolated from the outside.
Yeah.
And again, you have the
that open
the
space.
open space
that Lavs love.
Yeah. And then you place it directly here, under the shirt, of course, directly to the body, with some piece of. Oh, you can show it like this.
Yeah, I'll hold that for a second
No,
so
it's
you
not
can.
well, I have this
Just so it doesn't fall on you.
transport, and you place it on the body.
Not on the hair. Ah, just kidding.
Oh yeah, get into that later. So like this.
Very good.
And it moves. If the body moves, the concealer moves with it, and it always stays protected, because you know this arch.
So you don't tape over the top, because if you do, you're going to cause a little bit of a a muffle sound.
Definitely. But there's another reason for that. It's made. I mean, it's made out of silicone.
Mm-hmm.
And the good thing about silicone is that it's like hypoallergenic, won't cause any rash, and it's skin friendly to use. But the bad thing about it is that nothing sticks to the back.
Yeah.
So that is why we made this wedge shape like this. And if you put like a piece of transport on the bottom of the concealer, then this falls in the cavity of this of the tape, and it will hold all day.
Yeah.
You want to make some. You don't want to have the complete weight of the cable hanging on the microphone, so you want to make some strain relief.
Exactly.
So
now, do you usually put your strain relief like along the side here?
Yeah, I do.
Or do you also, put it like, so the microphone's here, you have a little piece of strain relief here, and then do you put a piece on the side as well?
Yeah, I do that.
Okay.
I never run it down, because if you use this, the shirt is probably so.
Cable vein.
Yeah, you will probably see it. So what I do is I do it like this. I put concealer here a strain relief, here one, maybe here also, but that it won't show.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, you don't want that cable to bulge out and hit the shirt where you see like that little bulge of cable.
Yeah. And usually the chest covers it a little bit, because
exactly. Yeah.
So so this is for body marking. It's not like your regular go-to concealer, but if there is an option, either you have to do like $5,000 post-production or this, then you definitely choose for this.
For sure.